How did you get up there? Harlem, did you crawl up there on your own? You are only 16 months. Harlem, look at me. You're moving too fast. Are you trying to work the microwave? Harlem, Harlem, what are you doing? Are you going to make a sandwich? Harlem, no, no. Harlem, I don't need you to move too fast. No, I don't. I don't need you to move too fast. Could you stay a baby just a little while? Harlem, Harlem, look at me. Are you watching TV? Nana, look at Nana. Are you watching TV? A, a what? Okay. Okay. You gonna work the microwave? You gonna help me cook? Goodbye. Bye bye. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. Bye bye.